Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors YouTube channel. In this video, you are watching villas project near Patti village. It is very close to the exit number 2, Kollur, and this is total 8.5 acres. 90 villas are coming here. You are watching this progress of the current site. Some villas have done the slabs and some villas are footings level and some are at the brick level. Brickwork is going on. Here 150 and 200 square yards are available for sale. If you are looking for a villa near to the financial district, kindly call on below number to get the more details, and you can visit our website also. This is adjoining to the service road, and in front of the property there is a 100-feet road. You can see that is outer ring road. There are vehicles are going on. Yes, after outer ring road there is a 100-feet road which is master plan road. We have 100-feet road entrance to the project. These are the under construction villas. There you can see the there is a big signboard. There it is our main entrance, 100-feet road, and you are watching that villa number 1. There, from there it is our entrance. Yes, we are just before the village of Patti village, and phase 2 also upcoming is there. If anybody interested to go with one-time payment also, please contact on below number. Yes, very prime location, and you can reach the financial district within 10 minutes, and you can reach the airport 25 to 30 minutes, and next Patancheru and BHL, Nalaganla, these places you can reach next 10 to 15 minutes, and major international schools are very nearby to this property. Guardian School is there, Birla Open Minds is there, and NCC school also is there. Very close to all your working like MNC companies. Please kindly contact on below number for more details and any booking. You can see work is under construction, and timeline to this property is December 2023 to get the occupation. This is HMDA approved and REDA certified property. There are two types of bricks are using in the construction. You want go with red brick, you can go with red brick. If you want go with cement brick, you can go with cement brick. That is your choice. This is 150 square yards villa, which is finished villa, near to the completion. You can see this house when you walk into the site. Basically, if you visit right now this property, you will get an idea about 150 square yard villa and 200 square yard villa, how it looks and what is the space inside of your villa and how the elevation is. All this you can understand once you visit this property. Yes, this is the elevation of the 150 square yards villa. You will have 2 car parking space in front of your villa. Internal roads also big roads only. It is a triplex villa, 3 bedrooms along with a home theatre. At ground level you will have 1 bedroom, and in the first floor you will have the 2 bedrooms, and on top means second floor you will have the home theatre room. Thank you for watching the video.